Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete video and pictures on Messenger. The first thing you do is open up your Messenger app. So once you've opened up the app, then you tap on the person who you sent the video or picture so you want to delete. Now like this one, there's the picture I want to delete. I sent to this person. Simply highlight it. This is for, you can see options over here at the top here for reaction. You can set up reply, save image, pin, more. Tap on more. Now we have forward, bump, unsend, and details. So you can tap on unsend to delete it. Unsend for everyone or unsend for yourself. Let's unsend for everyone, and it's gone.